Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon FriendFish. Hey, it's John-Marc again, and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. And right now, we're drawing one of my favorite subject matters, my FriendFish characters. So that little fish there is one of our buddies in our aquarium, and we're just going to be doing the standard little basic shape. Have the crosshairs lining up, putting his eyes in there, and there you go. So in this case, he's like a little sleepy, lazy, sick fish, whichever way you want to really look at it by his expression on his eyes. This is going to be teaching you expressions with his eyebrows and his eyes. And basic shape there. Going a little bit more over it, a little bit darker. As you notice again, sketch lightly and getting heavier and heavier. That's the traditional way of learning how to draw any matter, for that matter, not just cartoon, traditional art as well. And I got a side fin there and building another fin down there on the bottom. Secondary. I love drawing fish. They have so many different colors that are out there, and they're very vibrant, and as well as the shapes. And let's get the top fin on top there. Ready to. All right. Looking good. All right. Let's get the back a little bit more detail on that one. Looking good. Yeah, I got a lot of fish for my series, so make sure you subscribe to our video series here, because there are going to be a lot more FriendFish that you will be seeing. All right. Then just finishing the top part, the sketching. Very rough, but I'll take it back again, as I mentioned in the past with my other videos, and I will ink in Illustrator and then color it in Photoshop. Brush and finishing the bottom there, put some lines for the fins indication, get a little darker. And even so, again, when I have this, I might even change the fins when I'm inking, give it a little bit more of a curvature, and you'll see that in the inking. And giving some of his stripes on there right now, all just really quick straight lines. And now we're doing our speed lines again, filling that in. And make sure you stop by our website. This character actually is in one of my latest drawing books, How to Draw 50 Different Cartoon Fish. And that's www.jmg-studio.biz. And let's finish up coloring up his eyelids right there. And a little darker. Okay, a little shade more. Yeah. Okay, let's finish the back fin. And I'm going to just shade that in there really quick. Those are those speed lines. A little darker. And get the bottom one more. Sweep. Quick action. Fill that all up. There we go. And let's get some of those lines in there. A little darker. Here we go. Yep. And those speed lines again, just to show where the fins would be. There you go. Yeah. I think that's just about done. Everything, just get a little bit more darker around his face there. And let's get a little darker on his eyes again to make them really stand out. I start soft again and get heavier. There you go. And I have that little highlight in there too now, that little white. Not looking bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a fun one. I enjoyed that one. So remember to sign and date your artwork. Thanks for watching our video. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.